Hey everybody, I'm still Gandharva. It's still the Your Life Blueprint, Sound Vibrations, and it is once again Wednesday. Every day we explore the vibrations, outside of you, inside of you, as above, so below. Today's the day of the fourths. It's a green day. Not the band, but the color. It's a serious, yet playful day. Seriously playful. Or playfully serious. But it is a day for deep thinkers and deep thinking, going beyond all the superficial stuff, right? No gossiping today. I'm going to read from a book by someone who had this Communicator vibration. That's the Wednesday vibration, the Communicator. He had this in his spiritual area, in his blueprint, making him a spiritual communicator, or in the East called a Jnana Yogi. He was the great writer, Somerset Maugham, and he wrote one of my favorite books ever, which they turned into one of my favorite movies ever, The Razor's Edge. Watch that movie on a Wednesday. Read that book on a Wednesday. That's what I'm going to do right now. It's a mistake to think that the Indians look upon the world as an illusion. They don't. All they claim is that it's not real in the same sense as the absolute. Maya is only a speculation devised by those ardent thinkers to explain how the infinite could produce the finite. Samkara, the wisest of them all, decided that it was just an insoluble mystery. You see, the difficulty is to explain why Brahman, which is being, bliss, and intelligence, which is unalterable, which ever is and forever maintains itself in rest, which lacks nothing and needs nothing, and so knows neither change nor strife, which is perfect, should create the world. Well, if you ask that question, the answer you're generally given is that the Absolute created the world in sport, without reference to any purpose. But when you think of flood and famine, of earthquake and hurricane, and all the ills that flesh is heir to, your moral sense is outraged at the idea that so much that is shocking can have been created in play. Sri Ganesha had too much kindness of heart to believe that. He looked upon the world as the expression of the Absolute and as the overflow of its perfection. He taught that God cannot help creating and that the world is the manifestation of his nature. When I asked how, if the world was a manifestation of the nature of a perfect being, it should be so hateful that the only reasonable aim man can set before him is to liberate himself from its bondage, Sri Ganesha answered that the satisfactions of the world are transitory, and that only the infinite gives enduring happiness. But endless duration makes good no better, white any whiter. If the rose at noon had lost the beauty it had at dawn, the beauty it had then was real. Nothing in the world is permanent, and we're foolish when we ask anything to last. But surely we're still more foolish not to take delight in it while we have it. The secret of desires. Know that they don't last. Honor them and enjoy them while they're here. Big secret. If change is of the essence of existence, one would have thought it only sensible to make it the premise of our philosophy. We can none of us step into the same river twice, but the river flows on, and the other river we step into is cool and refreshing too.